It's another morning here in our place, in our small place in Bohol, Philippines. Today, I will plant our new pineapple crowns. I will plant them there in between the mulberries. That's the mulberry trees that we planted before. They grow new leaves now, but they have a very tiny fruits. The purpose is for the leaves for the goats. It's very good for them. They like that. But I did not grass cut on this area. Most of the time I just uproot the grass, but you see the bad grass grow very fast, so soon I need to clean them while I plant the new crowns of the pineapple fruits that we harvested. We have 10 already. I put in the water at this time. So I saw 3 more pineapple fruits that is ripe and ready to harvest, so I need to harvest them. So you see how the bad grass grow very fast in just more than a month of rain. During the dry season, it's very dry there under the mulberries, but now the grass grows so fast, except on the higher part of the hill where the goats always walk on it. Until now, it's dry. It looks dry. So you see, the bad grass, sometimes it's difficult to uproot. When I uproot them, they are cut, or sometimes it's so hard and I don't have a choice but to use my machete to cut them. You see, it's all the same bad grass that grow fast on the neighbor's jungle also. And you can imagine how big they can grow. They really grow big with big branches. And we removed a lot of this very matured grass like this when we started here in the farm. Oh, you see, no, that's the roots. I'm not sure if I removed all the roots. And also when they grow seeds, they drop on the soil and they grow very fast as well. We have also this type of grass here that is also very bad and very strong. And then they grow also bigger and they will climb onto the plants. And they have a very strong, you see that it's very strong, this one. But some locals here, they find something to do with that, with that type of plants. They make decorations. So I will get this small pineapple. Most of our pineapples are not big, but they are very sweet, very juicy. Here I harvested 2 also before there, one and another one there at the back. They grow higher and higher every day. Most of the pineapples that I planted here, most of them are coming from the crowns also that we harvested since I think 3 years. And then some people say that I heard some people said that a pineapple can only bear fruit one time and they die. Maybe it's true, but in fact they grow a lot of kids around them who, after they bear fruits, they grow so many kids so many around them, and then we can still harvest from these new kids. You see that there? I don't know how many times we harvested from this one. This one is the very first batch that Christian planted here when we started here in the when we started to bought this land. And you can imagine that's only one piece before when he planted, and now it's so many of them, and each one bear fruit also. So here we have 1, 2, and then there is more at the back. I saw another ripe again over there. I will harvest that. So this one I will get this, and they are always very sweet, even if because if they grow from kids of the previous one, because the secret is to wait them to ripe on the plant before really harvesting them. But I can understand majority of the fruits in the market. I can understand why they need to harvest earlier, because of course it will go a lot of process before it will stay for many days in the market before final consumers buy them. So if the farmers harvest when it's already close to ripe, sure it will be bad. It will be overripe fast and before it's sold, and especially here in the Philippines, like the pineapple, the main producers of pineapples in the Philippines is in Mindanao, in Bukidnon, and it will travel for many days before it can reach the market in Cebu, in other places in the Philippines. So you can imagine how many days required before to finally sell it and the end consumer. So I think I need to bring my basket next time. But also from this old pineapple that Christian planted, I already removed a lot of kids from this one too, and that's what I replanted. That's what I replanted on some other parts of our place. That's why we have so many pineapple now, even until there on top of the hill on the side, on the boundary. I also planted. I never checked there since long time, but I think there's no fruit yet. So you see this type of plant, the one I showed you before, they are very bad when they start to climb on the plant, and they are very strong. You really need a machete to remove them, or something to cut them, because it's impossible to uproot the root. The goat eat sometimes. When they are young, sometimes I can pull, but most of the time, no. I need. The good thing when I harvest good grass is that the goats can eat them. Unlike when I grass cut them, I harvest nothing because the grass cut will cut very, very small. Another one, my fourth harvest again. And I saw one more. No, I already harvested the one at the back. And you see, it's so many on this one. And this one, 1, 2, 3. I get 3 there just recently. You see, they grow shoots. And then, so I have 5th one there at the back of the water tank. I will get it also. So 5 harvest for today. Yeah, that's all for this video. Thank you for watching, guys. It's all about pineapple on this video. I have to replant the crowns that we first harvested. Thank you, everyone, and have a nice day.